It doesn't have any eyes or a nose, but that's definitely a snowman.
Told you, never say never, baby. High five.
Making it to set and see what magic you making today.
But we on set right now with...
We made it!
Just chase your dreams, because we're all destined for greatness. We just have to wake up wanting to be great.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Cotton, and as you can see, it's flipping snowing outside, which never ever happens, so it's pretty much a magical moment right now. All right, so she's already wanting to be funny. So since it's snowing, you already know that we're gonna be building snowmans and having snowball fights, and apparently she's already initiated it, so let's go get her. Oh, I missed. Oh, whoa. What's she gonna do? What's she gonna do? You suck. You suck.
That's why you still haven't hit me. You still missed, cause you...
Where you going? Where you going? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, you still miss.
You got a straight shot. Whew, I gotta do some more cardio. I work out, but I just lift weights right now. I gotta start doing some more cardio because I really can't breathe. Shy just left me outside all by myself in the freezing cold snow. I don't know what she's doing, but she said she's coming right back. But yeah, I'm about to start building a snowman. Just finished putting our snowman's head on. He was looking nice, he was looking super healthy, and then all of a sudden he just fell apart. So I guess he wasn't that healthy, but that's okay. Shaw just went inside because we worked so hard on it and he just fell apart. But now I'm about to make it bigger and better. This snowman is getting made.
As y'all can see, our snowman went from a snowman to a no man. We did it! We made a life-size snowman in Alabama. This never happens.
Just wanted to show y'all this beautiful snow since it never snows here in Alabama. As always, if you're new to the channel and you like the content, be sure to smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment, share the video with all of your friends, and I'll see you guys next time.